An ad hoc network is when you connect devices wirelessly, but there is no connectivity to the wired network. The security level in an ad hoc network can be lower than the network that's connected to an access point and then into a wired network. In the airports, you will see many access points, but never connect to one that looks like an ad hoc network. Because if you connect to one of them, then they can access your device because the security levels are lower. First, open the command prompt CMD as an administrator. To do that, in Windows 10, right-click on the Start button and select Windows PowerShell Admin. To ensure that the network interface supports the hosted network feature, we need to type the following command: wlan show driver. Press enter. If hosted network supported shows yes, proceed to next step. If it says no, you need to update your wireless driver. I will copy the wireless adapter type, which is RTL8811AU, and go to google.com and search for the driver for this adapter for Windows 10 64-bit. Click in the first result to go to the download page. Now click in the download button. Accept the terms. Then click the download button. After that, write the CAPTCHA and click go to start downloading the file. Once finishing the download, right-click the zipped folder and click extract here. After extracting the file, open the folder. Now double-click the setup file to install the driver. When finished, it says, "Yes, I want to restart my computer now." Click the Finish button to restart your computer. If the updated driver still does not help, then you will need to upgrade your hardware. Now we need to configure ad hoc wireless connection. Open the command prompt CMD as an administrator. To do that, right-click on the Start button and select Windows PowerShell Admin. In the command prompt, type wlan show driver. Press enter. As you can see, the hosted network supported is changed from no to yes. Now I will clear the screen by typing clear. Next, we need to set the SSID name to ad hoc and the password to 123456778. In the command prompt, type wlan set hosted network mode equals allow SSID equals ad hoc key equals 123456778. Press enter. To start the new network, we need to type this command: wlan start hosted network. Press enter. But we get the message: the hosted network could not be started. The group or resource is not in the correct state to perform the requested operation. If you get this message, we need to fix this issue. To do that, go to the search box and search for Device Manager. Next, click the Device Manager. Click View. Then click Show Hidden Devices. Go down and look for Microsoft Hosted Network Virtual Adapter. Right-click and then click Disable Driver. Click Yes. Next, right-click Microsoft Hosted Network Virtual Adapter and click Enable Driver. Now go back to the terminal and type wlan start hosted network and press enter. As you can see, it says the hosted network started. Now go to the search box and search for Control Panel. Click Network and Internet. Click Network and Sharing Center. As you can see, the network ad hoc is added to active networks list. Now click on Change Adapter Settings. Right-click on Wi-Fi adapter and select Properties. Now select the Sharing tab. Next, check the box Allow other network users to connect through this computer's internet connection. From the drop-down, I will choose the local area connection 19, which is the connection for Ad Hoc network. Then click on OK button. The network now should be set up. The network should be available and waiting for users. Now connect your smartphone device. Tap on the settings icon in your smartphone main menu. Click on Wi-Fi. Your Ad Hoc network should appear in the list. Click on your network. Enter the password. Once you've finished using the Ad Hoc network, it's very important to delete the Ad Hoc network. Now let us go ahead and delete that network. To do that, click Local Area Connection 19 and then click the Disable button. As you can see, the Ad Hoc network is not in the active network list anymore. Now, if I go to the search box again and search for Device Manager, open the Device Manager. Go to View and click Show Hidden Devices. Now go down. Right-click Microsoft Hosted Network Virtual Adapter. As you can see, it says Enable Device. That means it is now disabled.